We breathe it every moment of every day, but we rarely give it a second thought. Oxygen. It's the silent partner to our existence, making up 21% of our atmosphere and a critical component of the world itself. But what if it were to disappear? Not forever, just for 3 seconds. The first second is instant, absolute chaos. The sky, blue because oxygen scatters sunlight, would immediately snap to pitch black. Day becomes night in the blink of an eye, but the darkness is the least of your worries. The ozone layer, a special form of oxygen, is our planet's sunscreen. Without it, the full unfiltered force of the sun's UV radiation would hit the surface. Anyone outdoors would suffer immediate, severe sunburn. At the same time, the air pressure would drop by 21%, a sudden plunge equivalent to being teleported thousands of feet into the air. The delicate structures in our inner ear wouldn't stand a chance. The eardrums of every living creature on the planet would rupture. In the second, the ground beneath our feet gives way. Oxygen isn't just in the air. It's a key binding agent in almost everything. Concrete structures, from dams to skyscrapers to our very homes, would instantly fail, exploding into fine dust. The Earth's crust itself, which is 45% oxygen, would begin to crumble and break apart, triggering unimaginable earthquakes. Any pieces of untreated metal would instantly weld together. The thin layer of oxidation that normally prevents this would be gone, causing metallic structures to fuse into strange, new sculptures of chaos. In the third and final second, fire ceases to exist. Combustion is impossible without oxygen. Campfires, gas stoves, and more importantly, the engines in our cars and planes would all die. Vehicles would coast to a stop, and every plane in the sky would become a glider, beginning its silent fall back to Earth. But the most terrifying transformation would be our water. Water is 1 part oxygen, 2 parts hydrogen. Without oxygen, the water in our oceans, lakes, rivers, and even our own bodies would become a free, expansive hydrogen gas. The oceans would literally boil away into the atmosphere. Then, the 3 seconds are over. Oxygen rushes back in, and it meets the trillions of tons of highly flammable hydrogen gas that now blankets the planet. The result would be the single largest explosion since the dawn of time. A global firestorm would ignite, engulfing the entire planet in a cataclysmic flash. The world would be returned to a scorched, shattered, and silent ruin. A stark reminder that our very existence hangs by the delicate 3-second thread of the air we breathe.